Exploring uncertainty, mastering, in case, in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new lesson. Today, we will dive deep into the realm of conversational English and focus on a very handy phrase, in case. We will explore how to make indirect requests using in case, with a particular emphasis on expressing uncertainty or possibility. So, let's get started. In English, in case is used to talk about doing something to prepare for a possible future situation. When we use in case, we are considering the possibility of something happening or not happening. It's a great tool to express uncertainty or possibility indirectly. Consider an example. Take an umbrella, in case it rains. In this sentence, we are expressing a possibility. There's uncertainty about whether it will rain or not. Therefore, we are making a suggestion or an indirect request for someone to take an umbrella. When we use in case to make an indirect request, we are suggesting someone to do something without explicitly commanding them. It's a polite way to ask for something. For instance, instead of telling someone directly, keep your phone on, which can sound like an order, we can say, keep your phone on, in case I need to reach you. Here, we have framed it as a possibility or uncertainty. I might need to call, or I might not. It softens the directness of the request. Now that we've understood the concept, let's practice with a few examples. 1. In case you get hungry, there are sandwiches in the fridge. 2. Do the homework in case the teacher checks it tomorrow. 3. Save your work frequently in case the computer crashes. In these examples, the actions, eating sandwiches, doing homework, saving work, are all being suggested in anticipation of an uncertain event. And that's a wrap. We've learned how to use in case to make indirect requests and express uncertainty or possibility. Keep practicing these scenarios, and very soon, you will be comfortably using in case in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so keep exploring and practicing. Thank you for joining today's lesson. See you in our next session. Happy learning!